Technology has allowed for artists of all kinds to build out their visions easier than ever on a tablet. But which tablet will allow you to make your vision truly come to life? Well, in this video, we break down the top 3 drawing tablets on the market this year based on price, performance, and situations they will be used in. We'll be taking a look at products in every budget range, so regardless of whether you're on a tighter budget and want the best value, or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which drawing tablet will be the best for you, stay tuned. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 3 on our list is the Gaomon PD1560. If you aren't willing to pay the premium that comes with Wacom drawing tablets, then we recommend the competing Gaomon PD1560. This budget drawing tablet is feature-loaded with everything you'd come to expect from a mid-range competitor, including full 1080p resolution, a respectable color gamut, and a price tag that's difficult to argue. Aesthetically, the PD1560 is surprisingly luxurious, yet straightforward with a glass display flanked by a side panel of shortcut buttons. A monitor stand is included, allowing for quick angle adjustment on any surface. The decreased color gamut is noticeable when compared to a Wacom competitor, however, so the PD1560 isn't recommended for professionals who require industry-standard color accuracy or fine detail. What's truly surprising about the Gaomon PD1560 is the pen, which sports the same 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity as the Wacom Pro Pen 2, but lacks its electrostatic screen charging capability. Since many pens on the market usually top out around the 2,000 level range, it's astonishing that Gaomon pulled out all the stops for their budget PD1560. It also sports a similar 3-in-1 cable solution as the Wacom Cintiq line, which plugs into a USB-C port and mini HDMI port on the unit itself. Unfortunately, the cable doesn't attach to the top of the unit like Wacom devices, but on the right-hand side, which may create some clutter and get in the way of your hand. Out-of-the-box software setup is a breeze thanks to some excellent drivers and configuration apps that allow you to customize the shortcut buttons, pen options, and a decent degree of pressure sensitivity control. While clearly aimed towards those looking for a great budget tablet, the Gaomon PD1560 manages to surprise with features and functionality normally reserved for higher-end models. That in itself is a huge plus. Number 2 on our list is Wacom Cintiq 16. For those artists and hobbyists looking for a straightforward high-performance drawing tablet that doesn't break the bank, it's hard to pass up the Wacom Cintiq 16. Sure, it's smaller and less feature-packed than its Cintiq 22 big brother, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. It's a lighter, more portable option for consumers who are comparing drawing tablets, especially more mainstream products such as the Apple iPad Pro. As such, it can be taken anywhere and used for everything from doodling and sketching to crafting your next masterpiece. You still get the same amazing Pro Pen 2 functionality with 8,192 levels of pressure and tilt sensitivity, and a bright, beautiful HD display jam-packed with pixels for accurate artistry, plus anti-glare overlay for distraction-free work. It comes with the same 3-in-1 cable as the Cintiq 22 for minimum hassle and clutter, turning it into a secondary display. The Cintiq 16 lacks certain features such as touch functionality, but this is an acceptable trade-off for most artists who don't require it, and would instead prefer to focus entirely on what the tablet was meant for, drawing. The included stand can tilt the display 19 degrees, but if that's not enough for you, there's an option to purchase a separate stand that can achieve a maximum of 68 degrees for total ergonomic adjustment. At just £4, the Cintiq 16 isn't going to cramp your style either. It can be held relatively comfortably in your lap, or carried in your backpack with ease. Wacom Desktop Center software allows you to fuss with the default settings to achieve your perfect workflow on everything from screen sensitivity to pen controls, and Wacom has opted for a minimalist approach to this software to keep things nice and tidy. Affordable, feature-packed, and built to last. Number 1 on our list is Wacom Cintiq 22. The price may be steep, But there's no denying the supremacy of the Wacom Cintiq 22 as the best overall drawing tablet on the market, scoring high in multiple areas. It comes with all the things a digital artist is bound to appreciate, from an anti-glare screen to full HD, an adjustable stand, and one of the best drawing experiences on the market. Comfort is no issue here, thanks to the integrated foldable legs which make it easy to set up for any working position. The included 3-in-1 cable transfers power, video, and data all at once to save on clutter and prevent any unnecessary distractions. For all intents and purposes, the Cintiq 22 can double as another monitor if so desired. The real standout, however, is the stylus. The Pro Pen 2 stylus amazes with 8,192 levels of pressure and tilt sensitivity, which produces tactile responsiveness on par with drawing on paper or canvas. It also requires no batteries, instead grabbing power from the electromagnetic screen. Those familiar with the Wacom tablets will recognize the 2-button solution on the Pro Pen 2, which controls right-click functionality as well as a segmented menu for quick tool selections. The settings for the pen can be calibrated for drawing and erase pressure, control remapping and double-click distance, and when not in use, it stores conveniently in the Cintiq 22's side fabric loop. The display handles 96% coverage of the sRGB palette and 98% of the sRGB space for accurate colors, which is a boon for artists, but its 1080p resolution is a slight drawback compared to Wacom's own Cintiq Pro line with 4K display. This is to be expected given the price tag, though it still costs more than its competitors. The trade-off, however, is Wacom's stellar reputation for exceptional build quality. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.